Before I start cooking today, I do some preps and I tell you about Korean glass noodle japchae. This is one of the popular Korean dish around the world. I live in Canada and whenever I go to Korean restaurant, I see japchae is served as a side dish. And my buddies are always asking me how to make this dish. In Korean way, it is pretty pain in the neck to make this dish. And today, I show you easy and simple way to cook japchae. I just show you how to slice onion, easy, and red pepper. Cut ends first and get rid of the seeds, just like that. And just do medium-sized slice. And these both ends, you never throw it out. These are still edible. Do not waste your food. Never, ever, ever, ever. Dried wood ear mushroom. I'm rehydrating in cold water about 30 minutes. This mushroom is being used mostly in Asian country. Try not to put much mushroom. It's gonna get way bigger. See, I told you. After mushrooms got rehydrated, I'm gonna squeeze the water off. And then it's better to get rid of the bottom of the mushroom. And then either you tear it off or you roughly chop it up. I don't know who made the name of this mushroom. That's the perfect name for this. But look at this. It literally looks like human ear. Then I'll show you other ingredients you need. Half tablespoon minced garlic. This is 300 grams of pork rear leg. The reason why I'm using this part is cheaper than other part. You can use any part of pork or even you can use beef. And this is Korean glass noodle. Dangmyeon. Dangmyeon is made from sweet potato starch, which means this is gluten-free. So if you're looking for gluten-free food, this is the one you've been looking for. This is the one I'm usually using, 오뚜기 당면. And I'm saying this is not an ad. Who's gonna give an ad who just got 32 subscribers? Anyway, you just go to Korean grocery market and just say like this, 오뚜기 당면 주세요. Next step, bring the water to a boil and cook dangmyeon just for 7 minutes. And just occasionally stir them up if you don't want to have sticky monster noodle. Okay, after 7 minutes, turn the heat off, and the best way you check the noodles are cooked or not is tasting. And I directly transfer the noodle into the bowl. The faster way is you just go to sink and strain it. I just didn't want to make anything for washing dishes. And then I'm gonna season the noodle first. 3 tablespoons of sugar, 4 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is my favorite. And just mix them all. And it's time to use a pan. Put cooking oil over high heat pan. I just put 1 piece to check up the temperature. Yeah, it looks okay. Put every pork in it. And season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. And when it's about halfway cooked, put carrots first. Always root vegetable first. That's the rule number 1. Carrots are halfway cooked, then I put onions. And then I put red pepper. And then wood ear mushrooms. At this point I season one more time, salt and pepper. Then I make a little hole in the middle for my minced garlic. Minced garlic is always easy to burn, that's why I put it almost at the end. Then I put green spinach. And this is gonna be our last step. Put noodles in. At this point I'm not cooking noodle. I just mix all the ingredients and noodles together. That's it. Let me portion it into the plate. And if you have sesame seed in your kitchen, it's gonna be nice garnish. Small party, big party. Why don't you cook it for your friends or family? I'm sure this is gonna be a special day for you guys. This is it for today's video. Hopefully I get more subscribers and then I get more power to make more videos. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys again. 안녕.